Hi everyone, I have another craft share project I'd like to share with you all. So here I have a double pocket page mini album, and this design, this album was designed by Rosa Kelly Scrapbooking, and I'll have her link on the description box below. But this is such a cute mini album, and it does have 4 signatures on here, so it will fit plenty of pictures on here. So what I use for the paper is I use the K & Company Amy Butler specialty paper, and these had the glittered, the foiled, and the flocked, and the flat papers. They were 12 by 12, and I also use a second what do you call it? Another one, a different copy, different paper with same line, but I had to use two 12 by 12. This one also has 24 double-sided paper from Amy Butler, and I bought this from Marshall's in my stash a couple years back. It was only $3.99, and it's K & Company. But like I said, this project, it will require you to use lots and lots of paper, so be ready if you don't want to do the same repetition of the same paper. It has 4 signatures, so yeah, you will be using a lot of the paper. So this album measures 8 by 8, and the spine itself is 8 by 3.5. But yeah, it is so big. I love it. I mean, it's just perfect to put on your desk or, anywhere to display. And it's really sturdy the way that she did the tutorial. And I'm so happy that I followed it, because some other ones, I didn't feel like it was going to hold up to all the pictures. But so let's go ahead and look. So here, as you can tell, I didn't put the title yet because I'm debating on that as well. But I created some mini envelopes in here if I wanted some little trinkets, if I need to put some in here, some photo mats, and I created these albums using the We Are Memory Keepers envelope scoreboard, the big one, and I also used that to make that notch in the middle of this pocket here. And then some extra papers that I could use for anything like journaling. I could just put another cardstock on top of that and make it into a tag if I wanted to. And here I'm debating if I'm going to go ahead and use some Velcro. Not sure yet. And also if I'm going to mat it, because there's so much patterns that sometimes, you want to focus on the picture. But yeah, so this is 1, 2. So this side here has a I don't know if I could show you that, but this also has this side, so it folds this way. And then there's a pocket on this side as well. So as you can see, with 4 signatures, you're going to be using a lot of paper. Use this side for the tab, using my envelope punch board again. And there's a lot of tutorials on that on YouTube. And then when you flip it over, again, you have this, and you close it. I did this one upside down, but it's okay, because once you put a matting on here, you can't really tell your mistakes. But yeah, sometimes to look at your signatures before you glue them down, because I should have noticed that. And I have some more mistakes along the way, but I'll tell you guys. So here's another one. So here's the second signature. So as you can see, this flipped open this way this time. It's because it's supposed to open this way, not the other way. But yeah, I put that in wrong, like I said. And then on this side here, this side has the pocket again. And again with the 2 flips, front and bottom. So you will have plenty of room for journaling and your pictures. So I might make one for a Christmas one and just put every year that we had Christmas in our area, because yeah, there's a lot. See some more pockets again. And so there's so many pictures on here that you could create a whole year of just different themes or holidays that you have, or special occasions, because like I said, you have plenty of room to incorporate all your pictures and tags in here. And again, some more. My camera fell, so sorry, it moved. Okay, so yeah, so it's, you open it here, and here on the back, that's the last one, I did some cascading thing here, so you can add more pictures again on here. And then this, the third one, I had it fall this way. You can close it this way, as you could see. And then another pocket, some more journaling tags if I decide to do that. So the paper itself is gorgeous, but like I said, you will need a lot. It is so, like, you could fill 1 year of pictures in here, because you can have your 4 seasons, like, you know, a spring, summer, fall, winter, or whatever you want to start with, because there's so much in here. Or you can even have like your you know, your first year of the kids, you know, elementary, middle, high school, college, whatever it may be, and then title it the way you designed the book and the album, and go and have fun. Like I said, sometimes you'll see my mistakes, but it's okay. You can hardly notice them, and it's perfect because you know that it's your album and it's your creativity, and you can always fix the flaws that you'd create on your albums. But I just thought this was just so cute, how you can fit all these pictures in this album with so many ways of, you know, creating memories. You know, it's like a little, you know, it's a flip book, but there's so many stuff in here. You can add more, you could add more pockets, you could add more sentiment, but I don't know. I'm just loving it. I'm loving it. Okay, I'm just loving it. So that's from Rosa Kelly, and I'll link her description, her tutorial on the bottom page and on the description box, and you guys can go ahead and follow it. It's very, very easy. For beginners, it might be very intimidating, but take your time. Like for me, I use construction paper, black construction paper, when I started doing it, and then I practiced on the black construction paper before I did it on my Real Good cardstock paper, which is the heavy duty one. I think this is the 110 cardstock from Michaels. But yeah, I love it, and I hope you guys like it too. So if you like it, please like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks so much. Bye.